are girls, I'm very happy because when I see girls, I see a bright future. Let me tell you one thing about girls. Girls will make a home. When you leave your home, girls will always make follow-ups. They will always call their mothers, inquiring on what can be done at their homes, unlike boys, even if we have male teachers here. That is the truth. So girls, make your star shine each day. And I'm sure you are not asking, sasa ni nini wanatuambia tujaiambiwa? Do you have that question with you? No. Even if you are told things today, tomorrow, always, that is for your own good. Let me ask you a question. A person who knows the truth, sees the truth, and still believes lies, how do you call that person? How do you call that person? A person who sees the truth, knows the truth, but still believes in lies. How can you call that person? Small person. A mono. One come and answer. I just need an answer. One can come over.
Amoron.
Eh?
Amoron.
Amoron. Maybe, but if let me use a common term, that is a stupid person. So don't allow yourself to be called. Answer that. Don't allow yourself to be called. Good, because your teachers will tell you, don't follow this path, it is wrong. Don't take alcohol. Don't kiss boys. Yes? Am I communicating? Yes. When you go for holidays and you come back, you have sexual fantasies, you tell other girls, I kissed Sami, I kissed Steve. Don't you say that? No. God knows if you've never been kissed. It's only God who can be my witness. But that one cannot help you. Most of us, the boys that we had while we were in school, I didn't get married even to that boy. You see what I'm telling you? Even though the men know, beautiful ladies have not yet been born. So you'll be wasted and you'll be dumped. You'll start crying. Nimewachwa. At the end of the day, iti nimedambiwa, sindio? So what I can encourage you, avoid men in trousers. Right? Love them when you have finished school and that is campus. You have your career. From there, even if you get a tall one with big nini, that one will come for your wedding and will give you gifts. Last one. Don't enjoy a comfort zone. It grows no fruits. It's a bad zone. Avoid what? From once, avoid what? Good girls. Alafu. The teachers you see here, they worked hard. Was it not for their hard work, they could not be here. So they are good. The 5 years back, which they worked hard, has made them to be teachers. So your 5 years from now will be a good result of what you will be, right or wrong. So chunga your 5 years. 4 years ukikuwa from 1 to from 4, and the 1 year uko nyumbani, you are waiting for your results, because that is the time most of the young girls get pregnant. So those 5 years, take care of them. Ukipita hizo 5 years, you're good to go. La mwisho, pokea salamu kutoka kwa Mama Jerusha, your county woman rep. Aliniambia nikifika hapa nipeane salamu as much as ametuma representative wake, na mimi siwezi toka hapa kama sijanunua mkate. Na sikutaka senator akikuja Na wakili, thank you very much kwa kunita before senator.